This is the one type of match where any... Hooks in. Bam! Brain buster. That could be it. Raises the shoulder before the 1 count.
An almost instantaneous kick out there. A lot of work left to do.
Everything possible was done to win there, but it just fell short. Some superstars are understandably hesitant to...
Spear! He's got his best opportunity right in front of him.
2! Oh, he gets the shoulder up before 3.
He's in total disbelief. That did not finish the job.
Everyone watching this is in total disbelief right now.
And it's going to take composure now. Could just need one more big move. There's press! There's press! There's press!
Able to evade. He foiled that attempt.
Oh, what a right!
Man, that's some attitude behind it.
Oh, look at this here. Arm wrench.
Staved off that attack.
Spinning heel kick. He's absorbed some damage already. Dropping the elbow. Outside of the ring now.
What's the plan here? He grabbed the chair. Now would be a good time to run. Bang! He saw that one coming. Catching a drop kick.
What's he gonna do here?
DDT!
Every ounce of momentum is now against him.
Yeah, he's got to surmount this storm coming at him.
Big shot with the steps. I don't care who you are, stop moving tracks.
He's absorbing some tough hits now.
In order to succeed in an Extreme Rules match, you have to be willing to sacrifice your body a bit, guys.
Oh, and that buys some time. Uh-oh. He saw it coming.
Hurricanrana.
And just a high proficiency of attacks from him now.
Just a steady dose of punishment on display.
Oh, God.
Rear European uppercut.
Backdrop suplex. Here it comes.
Oh, man, landing awkwardly. Can it be capitalized on?
Watch the knee. A heel hook locked in. You can almost hear the opponents yelling in agony.
And an impressive amount of offense against him here.
He's got to boost up his levels of aggression at this point.
Shifts it back onto him.
The WWE Universe giving him an extra shot of adrenaline.
Oh, man, look out now. They can bring the fight wherever they want to. In this type of contest, the WWE Universe is an area of combat. Big boot.
Oh, man.
He's struggling a bit here.
Showing a lot of fortitude in this Extreme Rules match for sure, but not sure how much more tenable it can be. Ooh!
Ooh! Carefully measured knee strikes. Lefty with these knee strikes.
Evades the attack.
Vicious right forearm. Uh-oh. Flapjack. Way up there.
Spear! Can he take advantage of this? These men have been all gas and no brakes tonight, and they have to be feeling the effects.
Well, they have to be running on fumes. I don't know how much longer they can go.
Table! Devastating impact through the table.
That was a statement maneuver if I ever saw one. Big forearm. WWE fans getting a meet and greet they did not sign up for. Wait a minute, setting in. Devastating submission coming. Submission locked in, going to town on the back.
I'm not quite sure if this man shouldn't tap out.
This is about cool.
Gets reversed.
Shoulders down.
And you can debate whether or not that would have been the end. Interesting decision there. Taking this fight into the seats.
Where are they going?
Anywhere they want.
Double underhook.
Bang! Brain buster.
Now that is an exclamation point. Insulting.
Maybe they should think about taking the fight somewhere else.
They already have, Saxton. Thinking's not really on the menu right now. When you're in an atmosphere like this, when you can't hear yourself think because the crowd's so loud, you find a way to do superhuman things. That's what these combatants are doing here.
Oh, he's got him by the leg.
The foot DDT.
Ringside barriers couldn't contain this match.
No telling where they'll end up now.
Stretching and tearing at all the ligaments in the leg. And he's completely gained the advantage here.
He's looking relentless.
Just twisting away. And the WWE Universe is just loving being right in the middle of this action.
Things can get very unpredictable out there. It can be hard to tell what's really going on. He eludes the contact. What a boom.
Look at this. They emerge from the WWE Universe.
This is crazy.
Took off the hood of the announce table. Now there go the monitors.
Bad intentions in mind here.
Come on, Byron, get in front of me.
No.
Being carried around with ease. Oh, look at this. I don't know what they're looking for here.
Oh, man, come on now. Not a sledgehammer.
Look at this. Boom, nice. Just bashing them with that hammer. Boy, using that hammer like this was a track and field event.
With all this in mind, take it from me. Nothing good ever comes from rearranging furniture. Uses an elbow to disrupt that attack. Sequence of reversals there.
Drop kick on target.
So much brutality with that move tonight.
Comes back into the ring.
Going way up high.
Here we go. All the way to the outside. Adrenaline can make you do crazy things. Exhibit A right there.
Slingshot themselves to the ropes.
What a clothesline. Big forearm. Picked up.
Backdrop suplex.
Oh, looking for the Regal stretch. Regal stretches in, but not for long.
This looks like the setup to...
Brought down with a DDT.
This could be the chance he was looking for. 2.
Oh, my. And the resiliency to win this one.
Here is your winner, Jon Moxley.
Just an unbelievable